In this video, I will guide you on how to fix search not working in Windows 11. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar and here search Task Manager. Now open it. Here you want to find Windows Explorer. Now you simply want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. This reloads parts of the Windows interface. After it reloads, test the Windows search bar again. Next, you want to restart the Windows search service. For that, open the Run box. Now you want to type in services.msc and press Enter. Here scroll down and locate Windows Search, double click on it. Now you want to click on the stop option. Then you want to change the startup type to disabled. Now click apply, then OK. Now restart your computer. After that, you want to re-enable Windows Search. For that, open Run, type services.msc again and press Enter. Now find Windows Search again and double click on it. Now change the startup type to automatic delayed restart. Click apply and click start under the service status. Then press OK. Test the Windows search feature again. It should now be working properly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.